Welcome back, Davidson's All Natural Gym. Farmer dug out this tile right here with his mini, with the mini that I've been using. This tile wasn't drained, and you can see how it's still standing out in that field there. And so he dug out that tile, and it was full of roots, full of willow roots. I'm just down here to check to see if the tile's still drained and see if water's still coming out of it. Water should still be coming out of it because that's that field still has a little bit of water in it. So I'm hoping that there's still some water coming out of it. There's what we're ready to plant. I'm gonna plant all the way up to there this year. Oops, comes out down there. And I've already been down there with the shovel, and it's this walnut tree's got to go for all you sawmillers. But it doesn't look like it might go in the mill. I doubt it. It's only about 6 foot, 5 foot, good piece in there. But this is where we're going. That tile, that old tile right there, that used to drain. When it fell off, it would fall right into the creek. But all that is washed in from the creek. But I'm just going to go down there and get that water draining out a little bit better to the creek and see if that tile's still running. And the creek's pretty high right now. And then I'm going to go see what that is. You see that over there? See, this is how easily distracted I get, but there's always something. See, what is that right there? If I hold real still, we can zoom in on that right there. That white thing over there. We'll go see what that is too. We've got to go to the other side of the creek. But the water's really high now. You couldn't go wading in there right now. There's been some deer down here. And there's the old tile coming out there and flowing that way. Not sure where it's going from there, but we're going to find out. But I think if I just dig out that little notch there, some of this water will flow, and I can tell if this is flowing or not. But all these, like this tree here, has got to go. Got to go, that bush. So we'll see if this water's running through here. I think it is. It looks like it is coming out of there, and there is. I do see some flow down there. So should start running when I unplug this a little bit. Oh yeah, there's some flow down there for sure. Well, the tile's definitely running. You can see that water flowing now. Probably needed that time to see where I got to dig next. Right through that root, of course. I could have brought a better shovel. That would have been a great idea. But this is just a shovel you have in the back of your truck, and you're not really, I mean, you know you need to do this, but, ooh, that's a big one. We'll just go under him. Well, the tile's not running as good as I want it to, but it is running. Yeah, I'd like it to be flowing a little bit better than that. Well, it's flowing anyway. Nothing great. Should be way more than that. Not impressed. Mosquitoes are out already. Definitely not impressed with that. Oh, that pipe's been in there. That's not good. At least it's flowing, which is more than it was. It's not great, but there is water coming out. But it should be coming out way more than that. And somehow it's getting to the ditch. All right, next project. One thing at a time, huh? I don't know. Like to be able to do it all, right? But you can't. So you just get what you can. And go on to the next day, next project. All right, let's see what the next project is. I never know. We can go investigate that white thing in the next video maybe, huh? All right, stay tuned, like, subscribe. We'll be back. Just checking tile, digging trenches in the water. Maybe I'll show you in the next video what I've been doing for 2 months, or some of the things I've been doing for 2 months. Some of the areas are going to be too wet to get to. Alright, like and subscribe. I'll be back.